Put the glass into the dough and you won't believe in the result. In a blender, add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of organic yeast, 1 spoon and a half of sugar, 150 ml of oil, 350 ml of milk. Now just cap and leave beating very well. After beating, pass everything to a larger container. Then add 450 grams of wet. That's the ideal point of the dough. Now just pass everything to a greased form with oil. Spread the dough, cover with a plastic and leave to rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, in another container, add 300 grams of already grated ham, 250 grams of grated mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything very well. As soon as the dough rests, remove the plastic. Use a glass and use a little oil to grease it. With the glass, make markings on dough. After marking the markings with the cup, make balls with the filling and fill these markings. After adding the filling, on top I put a little cheddar, but you can use catupiry or curd, whatever you prefer. Bake at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And look how amazing this bread is. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. This stuffed bread is delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.